Just hiking in Interlaken, Switzerland. On my way up to harder Kulm, overlook over Interlaken. One of the top viewpoints with a huge overlook patio. This is the trail, all socked in snow and fog from last night's snowstorm. It dropped upwards of like 20 centimeters of fresh powder. Now, I'm not the first one to go up here today either. Those tracks are from somebody who went up before I did. I started around 9 a.m. and the sun came up 7:30, so I'm assuming this guy started, or guy or gal started before sunrise. This is about an hour and a half up to hit the summit. But it's a nice trail. It's a little tough with the snow to go anywhere other than just hike and keep your footing. We need some of this in Tahoe.